suppose L1 equal to A1x and A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0, and L2 equal to A2x and B2y plus C2 equal to 0. These are two straight lines. These are any two straight lines. Now, to finding the angle between these two straight lines, that is nothing but cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by square root of A1 square and A2 square, and here sorry A1 square plus here B1 square and A2 square plus B2 square, where cos theta equal to A1 A2 and B1 B2 by square root of A1 square plus B1 square and A2 square plus B2 square. This is the formula to finding the angle between two lines. When two lines are perpendicular, okay, when the theta is 90 degrees, we get A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. Okay, now after this, next right, we know that if two lines, we are taking two lines L1 and L2 are two distinct straight lines. Now we know that by slope M1 is equal to, first equation of slope 1 is nothing but minus A1 by B1, and slope of equation 2 straight line 2 is nothing but minus A2 by B2, minus A2 by B2. Okay, now the product of when the two lines are parallel, when two lines are parallel is M1 equal to M2. When the two lines are parallel, M1 equal to M2. Here M1 is minus A1 by B1 and M2 is minus A2 by B2. These minus will be cancelled. After that, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. These condition shows that when the two lines are parallel. These condition shows that when the two lines are parallel. Suppose already in previous class we discussed if the two lines are perpendicular, then product of slope is equal to -1. In previous class we discussed. So here M1 is nothing but minus A1 by B1 and here M2 is minus A2 by B2 is equal to -1. This minus into minus is become plus. Now A1 into A2 is equal to, it can be minus B1 into B2. From conclusion, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. These conditions shows that when the two lines are perpendicular, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. This condition shows that when the two lines are perpendicular. Okay, now if two lines are perpendicular, next we have that after just now we see that angle between two lines, that is cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by square root of A1 square plus B1 square and here A2 square plus B2 square. Now after getting sine cos theta, we have sine theta. We may use, or they are asking in an examination mains point of view or MCET point of view, they given two straight lines and find the angle sine theta or tan theta, they will ask. Now suppose sine theta equal to, how I am writing is AB and here also AB. Here same formula, A1 square plus B1 square and also A2 square plus B2 square. That is here 1 and 2, here 2 is 1. A1 B2 and minus A2 B1. What is the formula? Is sin theta is equal to A1 B2 A1 B2 minus A2 B1 by A1 square and here plus B1 square under root of A2 square and B2 square. This is the formula to finding the angle sin theta. Now tan theta is equal to same A1 B2 minus A2 B1 by A1 A2 plus B1 B2. It is the formula to finding the angle between the straight lines. Tan theta formula A1 B2 minus A2 B1 by A1 A2 plus B1 B2. Okay. Next we have the last topic definition is foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular point. Foot of perpendicular point. Foot of perpendicular point means, suppose it is any straight line. This is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here the point foot of the perpendicular is h comma k. Is there any point here p of x1 and y1? To find the foot of the perpendicular, we have the formula h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square, which is the formula to finding the foot of the perpendicular. That is h minus x1 by a and is equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now here last formula, the last one, that is angle between the parallel lines. Suppose L1 equal to A1x and B1y plus C1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to A2x and B2y plus C2 equal to 0. If two lines are parallel, okay, if two lines are parallel, the condition is mod of C1 minus C2 by square root of A square plus B square. If two lines are parallel, okay, or distance between the two parallel lines, the distance between the parallel lines. This is formula for using distance between the parallel lines. Distance between the parallel lines. These are the L1 equal to A1x and B1y plus C1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. So the distance between the parallel lines mod of C1 minus C2 by square root of A square plus B square. Now, totally in previous 3 classes, including this video, we are discussing only the formulas, how we are finding where the formula coming. Okay, in next classes we may utilize the formulas to solving the problems.